When repairing any lock, the first thing you need to check is whether there's enough loose hair to work with. If she didn't have this loose hair at the top and it was just a bald spot, there wouldn't be much that you could do. Lock repairs cannot be performed on bald spots. Our goal is to close the gap wherever the lock is thin. But first, you kind of need to open this up to create a spot or a little cubby hole for that lock to go. Now I need you to find the next thickest part of this lock and picture it as bridging the gap. If you don't pull the lock up enough, then you'll risk still seeing a thin spot, even if you crocheted the part above it. Now you're going to use that push and pull method that we covered earlier to tangle that loose hair over the thin area. And I do like to keep my finger on top of the loose hair and the lock while I work so the lock doesn't fall back down before I secure it. As you see me retwist the hair a little bit first, I did that because we're still going to keep that little 1/2 inch of space so that later on we can still retwist it and it look normal like the others. From here, you'll continue going over the area with your crochet needle until it's secure and smooth. There shouldn't be any visible lumps where you folded the lock upward. If you notice any, keep working the area with your needle until the repair blends seamlessly into the rest of the lock. This repair, I used my 0.45mm crochet needle because her lock was on the smaller side. If her lock had been larger, I would have switched to my 0.6 needle instead. If you're using a larger needle and it starts to get hard to push and pull through the lock, then that's when you switch down to a smaller needle. I've said this before, but do not try to force any needle through a lock. This way we can avoid harming the client or harming ourselves. Crochet needles are sharp, so be careful. And once it does start feeling like it's getting hard to push through and you are using a smaller needle, then your repair is done. There is no one angle that you need to hit the lock from. As you can see in this one, I am kind of at a diagonal angle because sometimes that helps me tangle the hair up better than just going horizontally. Sometimes you'll see me squeezing on the lock after I'm done crocheting, and that's me just checking for any inconsistencies. The entire lock should feel sturdy after you repair it. If it doesn't, go back over it. We are not in the business of telling people that we fixed something and it's not actually done correctly. Now look at the difference of this repaired lock versus how it was in the beginning. Feel free to rewatch this as many times as needed.